Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing three methods to open Google Play Store, then search and install apps and games. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. Method 1, go to settings. Search the settings icon. Select apps. Select see all apps. Go down and select show system apps. Under system apps, we have to search and find Google Play Store. Go down, there we would be able to see Google Play Store. Select it, then select open. So this is a Google Play Store. So here on top we can see apps tab, then games tab, and we can also get this search field. In the search field we can search for apps and games, and that way we can search in Google Play Store, then install apps and games. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Go to home screen, then select this apps tab. Under apps tab, go to the search field. Here we can search for apps and games. When we search here, it would search in the Google Play Store. From there we can install apps and games. We also get these app categories. We can select app category. From there we can select app, then we can install it. So this is a method 2. Let me go to method 3. Method 3, go to home screen. In home screen we can see this search field, and in the search field this is a global search field. Here we can search for apps, games, shows, movies, everything. So when we search something here, it would search in Google Play Store as well. So that way we can search in Google Play Store, then we can install apps and games from there. So this is a method 3. So these are the three methods. Please try it.